Welcome to our channel. Today we have some exciting travel news and updates for you that you simply cannot miss for your journeys in 2024. First up, we have some amazing advancements in technology. Say goodbye to long customs lines and tedious passport checks. In 2024, facial recognition technology will revolutionize the way we travel, making the entire process faster and more efficient. No more fumbling for your documents. Next, get ready for a breathtaking experience in the sky. The newest generation of airplanes will not only be faster, but also greener. These eco-friendly planes are equipped with innovative technology that reduces carbon emissions, making your travels more sustainable and helping to protect our planet. But it's not just the planes that are evolving. Airports are undergoing incredible transformations too. Major airports around the world are expanding and investing in state-of-the-art facilities. From luxurious lounges to stunning architectural designs, these airports are turning the travel experience into something unforgettable. And if you're an adventure seeker, you'll be thrilled to know that new destinations are opening up for exploration. In 2024, previously inaccessible places will become accessible, allowing you to embark on unique and extraordinary adventures. Get ready to tick off those bucket list destinations. Last but not least, sustainability is taking center stage in the travel industry. More and more hotels, resorts, and tour companies are committing to eco-friendly practices. You can now travel with a clear conscience, knowing that your vacation is contributing to preserving our precious planet and supporting local communities. So whether you're a frequent traveler or just planning your dream vacation, these travel news and updates for 2024 will make your journeys even more extraordinary and gratifying. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and remember to subscribe to our channel for all the latest updates.